using UI editor. So I'll give the name as now you can insert okay, so now you can see we have created the file to get the host name and the CPUs. We can save the file and then we can compile this using the detail C compiler. Okay, that's ICC and access name and minus protest and dot O, and then it's compiled, then we can run it. So you can see the host name and the number of CPUs. So pipe command in the next exercise, you can see they have asked us to exercise 3 to use the pipe command. So it's used to connect one or more commands, and output of one command act as the input to another command. Okay, let's visualizing a temporary connection between 2 or more commands or maybe programs or processes. Then we have cat command. So what is this cat command? We take minus number and let's say cat minus n and sorry. If we say cat minus n and our file name, so we can get the line numbers in front of the code. Then using the head and tail commands, try to get the first 5 lines and the last 5 lines. If we take head first 5 lines, we can get it like this. And if we want tail, the last 5 lines, we can get it like this. Okay, then to get to know the nodes in your cluster, you can run PBS nodes. Okay. So what are the computer configurations you see here? Try PBS nodes and see. So here you can see we have several nodes. We go through this a bit and try to understand. So for the nodes, it says the state, whether it's offline, free, or running, and then the type, whether it's a cluster or not. Here you can see the free nodes, offline nodes. We'll go through this a bit. Okay, now in this one, we are using this code, we are going to submit the program that we wrote earlier and run in one of the computer nodes. This is the command. Testo is the executable program. So what's the output that we are getting here? So simply we are saying run this program in our cluster, the node. So this is the job number that they are giving, 2012-029, right?